Hi guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. Usually I do all kinds of product unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please consider subscribe. So in today's video, I'll show you some of my favorite spring shoes that I have ordered from Macy. So in case you guys are looking for some spring sandal, then definitely this review will help you. So let's open it and see how this spring sandals look. So I have ordered one from Olivia Miller, one from Madden Girl, and one from Circus by Sam Edelman, and one from Bar 3. So let's open it and see how these sandals look. So it is 3 sandals here and one here. So let's open this one. So this one is Circus by Sam Edelman, and this one from Madden Girl, this one from Bar 3. So I have ordered in the size 6. So this one is the Olivia Miller sandal. It's made with, this portion is made with polyurethane, and this one I think it's like a man-made leather, and back portion you can see. I really like this heel design. That's the reason I choose this one. Heel size is 2.2 inches and it's a square toe sandal. You can see some gorgeous diamond pattern and the square toe. The heel, look at the heel. This portion I really like. So for the spring, definitely this one is like a really great one. I choose the nude one, but they have all the other colors also available. You can choose whatever color you like. So I'll show you one by one how this shoe looks, and pretty much I like it. Yeah, this shoe is like really nice. For summer, these sandals are like really good, and it has like this thing which I really like. The next one is the Bar 3. So let's open this one. Oh wow! This one also I ordered the nude one because I really like the nude color, and I really like this heel design. This one is also like a 2-inch heel, and the front portion is square toe design, and it's Thong sandal. They have like various colors, but I choose this color because this color looks really nice. And look at the sandal. Definitely this one is like really gorgeous. If you don't like nude, you can definitely choose other colors, but this one I really like. The square toe thong design and this portion I really like. That's why I have ordered this one. This one sandal is like definitely really gorgeous sandal. It's available with a different color. You can choose whatever the color you want. The reason I like this shoe because of this heel design. It's like a pretty unique, and the square toe design, because I really like the square toe sandals. And yeah, if you're looking for a good thong sandal, definitely this one is like a really great one. And so let's go to the next one. This one is Madden Girl. So let's see how it works. This one is like a really gorgeous one. So this is like a braided design, and this one I don't think it's like a real leather, and I really like the braided design. And the heel portion you can see it's not like really high, it's only 2-inch heel, and the shoe looks like a really gorgeous one. Yeah, this is not leather, but yeah, but the shoe quality is like really nice, and stitching and everything looks good. For the summer, this color is like really perfect. You can definitely try this one. It's a really gorgeous sandal. In the back also, in the heel. Yeah. Next one is Circus by Sam Edelman. So this sandal is also square toe thong sandal, but this heel size is 3 inches, which is like a little bit high for me. But the square toe design is like really perfect, and yeah, this quality is definitely great from all these shoes. Yeah, I can feel the difference. This shoe is like really perfect. It's like really gorgeous, the quality. Yeah, this is like a really 3 inches, all are 2 inches or 2.5 or below 3 inches, but this one is 3 inches. This one is square toe, and in the back portion you can see this shoe is like a really gorgeous one. If you're looking for a good thong sandal, this one is definitely a great one. If I compare these two, I really like the design of this one and the square toe. This is like a very normal design, nothing unique, but in this shoe, this one is like a really unique. The stitches and everything, and this portion is like very soft. This cushion in sole is definitely added comfort to your feet. Yeah, these are like really perfect. And this sculpted heel, I really like this one. In this shoe, this one is also similar kind of heel. All these shoes are like a really perfect, really comfortable, but this one is like really comfortable. This cushion insole is like very comfy to your feet, and these are not hurting. Also, these are like very soft, and this one is also like very comfortable. But this one, if I compare these two, I would say this one is like more comfortable than this one, but this one looks more gorgeous because of this heel design. And from these two I would say this one is a little more comfortable than this one. This one is comfortable, but the only thing I feel like my feet is like sliding, because this portion is like not very wide, and there is nothing in the strap, no straps here, so it feels like a little bit sliding my feet. But this one is looking very gorgeous. If I compare these two with like aesthetically, then I would say this one is more prettier than these two, but this one is more comfortable than this one. This one is gives my feet a little support, and it doesn't feel like my feet is like sliding. But here this one is like very pretty, and the braided design looks like really gorgeous, and this design, this heel design also like really gorgeous. So yeah, definitely you can try any of these. So all are like really gorgeous, but I personally like this. The comfortness of this shoe is like really awesome, rather than all of this four. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.